Donald Trump was just convicted of 34 felony counts. Here are the 5 mistakes the defense made that caused this guilty verdict. First, the defense kept 2 lawyer jurors on the panel. Lawyers can tune out the political noise and the scandalous details of the affair and decide the case solely on what matters. Were the business records false, and was there another crime committed? Second, during their opening statement, defense attorney Todd Blanche told the jurors he was going to call an accountant for the Trump organization to testify as to why the payments were categorized as legal expenses, but they never called the accountant, so they overpromised and underdelivered. 3. The defense made the case solely about Michael Cohen, and the only substantive witness they called was to impeach Cohen's testimony. Well, it turned out that the star witness was actually Inquirer head David Pecker, and when the jurors heard Pecker's testimony on readback, they returned guilty verdicts shortly thereafter. 4th, during closing arguments, the defense falsely argued that the business records were actually legal expenses pursuant to some phantom verbal retainer agreement. They should have argued that the records were mistakenly but innocently categorized as legal expenses to attack the criminal intent in the case. 5th, Donald Trump didn't testify, probably because he was going to be impeached on his prior legal problems. The defense wasn't going to win this case on cross-examination and argument alone, and the jurors needed to hear some sort of explanation as to why these payments were made and accounted as such. I predicted guilty verdicts. Do you think the jurors got it right?